Hi guys, so today I'm planning on doing this unboxing of this urban lamp I got from Walmart. So I'm gonna show the product obviously, so that y'all can get a look at it. I'm gonna show how this assembly is gonna go. Okay, so the base is a heavy marble piece. Okay, so one thing I can say is the base was supposed to be marble. It doesn't necessarily look how it looked in the picture, but it'll do. It's just a base. Nobody's looking at it like that. So the lamp is finished. This is the finished product of the lamp. Like I said, the base still needs to be tightened, but it's fine for now. It's standing and functional, so that'll work. And so for the lamp, I ended up getting a 40-watt light bulb. It was a big light bulb, and it was pretty cheap. I have gotten my TV up as well. I didn't do an unboxing video, but this is my TV. It is a 43-inch Samsung TV. So Samsung Smart TV. I have my laptop hooked up to it right now. My it's a disaster right now in my room. I'm really trying my best not to show it. So that's what's going on right now. I have the TV and the lamp in the room. So next, for my nail station, I will be unboxing this nail polish wall rack. I've already got one hanged up. I ordered two, and I will be hanging these up with some command strips. I know it says 14-inch screws. I know it says I have to have particular screws to screw this in and whatnot, but I'm gonna go ahead and just hang them up with some command strips. They were easy and functional for me to deal with, so yeah, let's take this off and attach my command strips. Then put it on this side of the wall. As you can see, this one is on this side, and I'm planning on saving this one on the opposite side. So that's what we're working on right now. Okay, so I just put this up on this wall. Basically, I use my command strips, and I've noticed that when you put the rack up without anything on it, then obviously it's a lot lighter, and it actually sticks to the wall easier. So I suggest you put it up there and to use it, because I actually filled this one first, then put it up just to see how light or how heavy it would be. It was pretty heavy when I put the nail polish in it, obviously because of the weight, but basically just it literally it almost was magnetic, how it just stuck to the wall when I placed this up here, because like as soon as I placed it, it stuck. And the command strips hold very well. I have command strips holding my mirror. I have command strips everywhere, like for my string lights. They work very well. So don't underestimate the power of those things. So what I'm gonna do now is take my nail polish and start stacking it into the trays, so that I'm probably going to put these in sideways so that I'll have more room for more colors, because these racks apparently only hold up to 40, but it really depends on how you place them into the racks. You can place them like the way I have mine. You can put some sideways, put some in front of each other. If there's room, if there's space in the rack, just do that. But that's how I'm doing it right now. Basically, it's really simple. It's easy to put more than 40 up there. So I'm planning on filling basically this whole space with rack. Hi guys, we're back with, I hope that started filming. Hi guys, so I'm back with the next part to my dorm room tutorial. Here I have with me Anitra Danae. She's a YouTuber as well, and she's helping me set up my futon that we received in the mail today. We're just gonna be filming that process basically.
30 hertz straight up.
Apparently, this all goes in there. One more time. Try to see this is the smallest one I've seen.
Y'all, we are having such a hard time.
Right.
Purchase your tracks today.
You thought it was gonna be easy.
Right.
So what would your suggestions be
My suggestions for a dorm room?
for this?
So, for this futon, man, I don't even know it. Just thoroughly read the directions and make sure you know where you're going. I'm gonna link to the futon, but basically, like I said, read the instructions. And once you read the instructions and you got it down pat, then basically, when you look at the tools, you'll know where they go and you'll know what you're doing. Hi you guys, so today I wanted to go ahead and do a quick daytime dorm room tutorial because I feel like the room looks different in the daytime than the night. The nighttime basically just gives it a little bit more dimension because the lights are on, everything is going. So basically I'm gonna go ahead and do a daytime review, show y'all everything in here during the day since I've finally gotten everything shipped in. My bed covers, my futon, my rug, etc. You're about to see that, so let me go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start with my bed since it's basically my favorite part. I sleep a lot, so this is covered from Overstock. I'm going to try my best to link everything in the description below. I'm not going to know exact, titles of the stuff because whatever. But anyways, I got this from Overstock for about $60. I know that seems pricey, but you can actually find the same comforter set for cheaper in some areas. But this one is very plush. It's definitely worth the $60 I paid for it. And I got this additional blanket from Walmart for about $10. So the futon is I got the futon from eBay for about $208. The same blanket over here, Walmart blanket. And I got this pillow individually from Target, and it cost me about $13. These are sheer curtains, and basically I got them for $4 a piece. In the nighttime you'll be able to see the color more. So there's black, gray, and white. So I thought that would mesh well with the room since there is a lot of lavender in here because the color scheme was gray, lavender, and white. But so now we have some black in there. So moving on to my tapestry. I got this tapestry off of Amazon. Basically I believe it was around, it really wasn't much. It had to be like maybe $15 at the most, I believe so. I really don't remember. And this lamp, it is a floor lamp, a marble floor lamp. Lamp was $60. My mirror here was like $4 from Walmart. And we're gonna get to the lights, which are these string rose lights that are strung around the mirror and around the room. So this is like my favorite part. The rose lights were $6 from eBay. I did a review on these before. I don't know if you all have been following me. Well, last fall semester I did a review on the 20 LED rose lights, and those are it. They just have a smaller version. These are the ones I did the last time. As you can see, they are bigger. I got this mini fridge for about $1 something. It was about $1 something. It's a mini fridge. Obviously, I have my food up there. Then there's my TV. That is a Samsung TV. So, since I didn't get to talk much about the rug, this rug was from Esty. There were different types of rugs up there that were like this, but I specifically chose this one because I felt like it was a great size for this area. This rug was about $109 from Esty. It is worth every penny. It feels like you're walking on a cloud when you step on this thing. it's soft, incredibly soft, and it really complements the futon, I think, and it actually stabilized it like any rug would. I feel like with furniture, and obviously you have it on a floor like this that is slippery, you always need to put some type of rug or something under it, so that when you sit on it, the legs will not expand and basically start sliding across the floor. And basically it actually looks like if you were to sit on this futon before the rug came, it would look like you're bending in the futon inward, like you're about to cave, it's caving in. But that was only because it had non-slip base underneath it. So the rug really complements the furniture in those ways. So basically, that's the futon, that's the rug, that's the bed set, and everything. The pillows I got from some of them I got from a friend, and I have a long pillow I got back there. This pillow I got from Walmart for about $14. I love shopping at Walmart online and in the store. They have a lot of great deals. And so over here is my nail area, since I do nails on the side. Once again, I don't have a standing camera yet, so I really don't bother making nail videos. But once I have some type of camera stand and a professional camera, I will start that. So it's not plugged in right now. But basically, there's a lamp attached. There is a dust collector on the other side, which is my side. You'll see, okay, so there's, the dust collector. You can turn it on and off down here. And here are some shelves. It just helped me a lot because with the table I had before, I had to basically place everything on the table. So I cut some pictures out, some hidden pictures of my nails that I've done in the past. Basically, I just cut the nail pictures out. Some of them look like kind of pop art, like this one. This is basically my favorite. I love when I did this pink glitter nail. We ended up not using it. Go ahead and follow my nail page at Girl with the Pretty Nails on Instagram, and you will catch more of my designs up there. I am a nail arts beginner, but personally, I feel like I do better than most beginners. Yeah, so here's one of my nail racks. Here's my colored acrylics. The rest of my acrylics are in the drawers. And here's my other nail rack. And so yeah, this is my whole little nail tech area. Working on enlisting in some classes soon. Actually, I have an appointment coming up at 5, so I'm trying to kind of make this quick since I do have an appointment. And so, yeah, I just wanted to give y'all, this is daytime dorm room tutorial. So I'm just now realizing that I forgot to show my pictures on my wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that. So I'm gonna start with my desk area. So I always decorate over here because this is supposed to be a sit and study area, but it turned into this. So yeah, I'm trying to consider that. Here is my other desk area where I keep my wax burner. Wax burners are permitted. I have different waxes that I like to burn. My room is always smelling like something sweet. If you're wondering just how I got these pictures up here, don't ask. Anyway, so basically, I just positioned them, I envisioned it in my mind, and I put them on the wall. So this is just a collage of my favorite artists. Once again, I like to put these up because it's just really creative to me. I love having a creative space to work in that give me the best inspiration. And so this is my favorite corner over here, honestly. Oh my god, like, I don't know, I feel like it's because Tyler's right there. And when this is my favorite little cat corner over here. Over here are just some pictures of myself, which I positioned up over my TV because I thought I'd like them over there. Here's more pictures of me, and here is my nail collage, which I showed you earlier. Just so you know now, I am planning on redoing my lights in a different way. Y'all will see that in my next video. I'm going to transform these lights into a plug-in, so they'll be easier to work with and operate, and I'll explain all that in my next video. Okay, hi guys, so this is the nighttime setting of the room. I just wanted to do this quick little view of it because, I really think, like I said, the nighttime just brings more dimension to it because I get the lights. Now, those lights are a little damp right now, see, compared to those, because the batteries are low powered, so I'm gonna get him out and charge him. But I feel like the lights really complement the tapestry and basically the room as a whole, because it kind of gives this glowing effect. You can see the curtains a little bit better, and like I said, I feel like it really complements the bed spread and the rug, the fox fur rug, because it just has a lot. But yeah, like I said, this is Shaw University. Once again, I am in a 3-party room. Me and my roommate are basically it's just me and my roommate, but this is a 3-party. In the middle section is my little nail salon, as I showed y'all earlier. It's dark over there because the light's off. But yeah, I just want to go ahead and show y'all the nighttime mode. That is the nighttime mode of my room. Okay, so I know I'm sitting here looking all kinds of crazy, but basically I just want to show y'all that. I just kind of woke up because I forgot, like, I need to show y'all the nighttime version of my room, well, my side of the room. So I hope y'all enjoyed that room tutorial, dorm room tutorial. Please comment in the comment section below what more videos you would like to see from me, and yeah, like, hit me up if you want your nails done. My page for my nails is at girl with pretty nails. Girl underscore with underscore the underscore. Okay, so that's my nail page basically. And yeah, so just if you need any suggestions, if you are at Shaw University for your dorm room, then I will gladly come up and give you some suggestions on where you should, what you should put in your room. You know, obviously not gonna buy it, but you know, I will definitely help you make suggestions. Like I said, I hope y'all like this. Give me a thumbs up if you're new to this channel, and if you are new, please subscribe and stay tuned for more beauty galore.